The first thing you do is take the upper plate. This is the upper side with the levels. You turn it upside down and you put the rods on each threaded half 13 holes. You mount the 4 rods on each side, and then once you have all the 4 rods mounted on the upper plate, which you will notice has those ridges on the bottom, this means it's the bottom of the upper plate. You turn it upside down, you put it on top of the carriages, then you take the 1¼ SRP locking bolts and you put them on the bottom to attach the upper carriage to the carriage on the slider itself. You can put either 2 or 4, either way. Once you are done with that, you take the bottom plate and then you turn it upside down. You'll see the ridges as well, and you can mount it on the bottom. It will slide right on. Then you take the SRP 75s, then you screw them in on the 4 rods. Now your underslung system is mounted. You can now take, once the rods are in mounted, now you can take your hi-hat, and it mounts just like it would on the carriage. You take the same SRP 75s and you can now mount either 2 or 4 SRP locking bolts to hold the system.